And here's our little guy who's just been here a few hours playing with another toy that he's just figuring out. Oh, here, go check out the food bowl. Oh, that's enough food. The toy's more interesting. He already had a good dinner. He's very easy to please with his food. And he has very good litter box manners. He knows how to do that because he's been indoors for 2 months in the house. He's lived with other kitties. He's never seen a dog before. He's heard one and he didn't like it. Back for more. Yay, another toy. Show him some face you have. So cute. You're just so cute and happy. A pretty uncomplicated little cat.